To remove boot lock or trunk lock, you have to remove rear door trim. I've got a video about it, just have a look in description. Once you remove your trim, you just pull this plastic bit off. Then there will be connector here at the back. Squeeze it and disconnect it, and the actual lock sits on two T30 screws. I've got the new unit here somewhere. That's the part number, by the way. There we go, 7P0. I'll pause the video to see what's going on. I'm gonna remove these two screws now. So once these two screws are out, you can simply take the lock out. Take it out and compare if the unit you have is the same. It is the same. Happy days. Thank you for watching. More stuff about this car. Basically, you put it back in reverse sequence. More stuff about this car, see my website. Links in the description. Thank you.